This March, we're taking on the biggest EV myths at Premier Motors. If you have questions about EVs, hybrids or plug-in hybrids, then we've got the answers. We're busting the common myths, misconceptions, outdated information and resistance to change. With two brands covering the spectrum of electric and hybrid vehicles, Premier Motors is your go-to expert for all things EV. Whether you need a car for personal adventures or a van to supercharge your business. So let's break those barriers down together. Swing by our showroom and test drive the latest Ford and MG range. We're here to help you decide if hybrid or electric is the right choice for you. Plus, we're giving every new EV buyer a free home charger this March. And here's the big one. With the new plate change, we'll help you drive into 25 with an additional and exclusive to Premier Motors £500 saving on top of manufacturer offers until the end of March. So join us in person or online as we tackle the big myths all month long. Let's get electric at Premier Motors, the Island's EV store.